the making of this thumbnail. Hey everyone, it's Ripping Dogs, and today I'm doing fall themed squishies. I only have 4, so that won't take that long. And slime, fall slime. Yeah, that makes sense. So, yeah, let's do it. So first up, I have an apple. It just reminded me of fall, so that's why this little apple is on here. It feels like Play-Doh, but if Play-Doh were molded into a squishy, so toyete. Next is this pie, because it reminds me of Thanksgiving, which is in fall, obviously. Also, don't be mad at my nails. I painted them in the dark, and I couldn't see, so that's why they look absolutely disgusting. But yeah, here's that one. This one reminds me of, you know, when you're cooking for Thanksgiving and stuff. So yeah, and yeah, why am I moving this gosh dang setup so much? I have this yummy bear in a unicorn costume because it reminds me of when it's Halloween and you dress up as something really stupid, and yeah, it's a unicorn. But honestly, I am obsessed with this squishy so much. It's adorable. On to our next segment, the slime making. Yee! Alright y'all, so first you're gonna pour in this clear glue. So interesting, wow, excitement. Then I'm just gonna put in 2 pumps of Aveeno lotion. One, 2, maybe 3 for good luck. So this is gonna be an orange slime. So I'm adding in some red food coloring. I'm adding Daiso clay in so it will get lighter. So make sure it's like a nice dark orange, and yeah. Now you mix all your lotion and food coloring in until it's about pretty nice. It's a pretty nice orange. I think it needs a little bit more red, so I'm going to add more red real quick. I'm going to adjust this as well. Once you're happy with the desired texture, go ahead and activate this baby. I meant desired color, I'm stupid. Alright, activator's in, and we're just gonna mix it together until you have your desired texture to put in some nice and Daiso clay. What did I just say? Next, I'm going to add some Daiso clay to my clear slime. It's really fun to mix in Daiso clay to slime, so have fun with this, little kids. Now, you can't stop there, or you can be creative, and you can use some green Sculpey for the tip as the stem for the pumpkin, and some green glitter as well to sprinkle on top when you're all done molding it. I'm gonna have glitter on my chair for days. Here's the finished slime. I think it looks decent. Decent is one word to describe it. Hey y'all, so I never filmed an outro, so I'm just here to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications to become a chili pepper. And hopefully I will see y'all in my next video. Have a nice life. Bye.